We've been working really hard at getting everything together at Jenny's condo, and I thought you might enjoy seeing some of the detailed work we do in getting together some of the final details, like hanging a big mirror or hanging the artwork and covering an outlet with wallpaper. So, I hope y'all enjoy it. Thanks. Alright, here we are again. Milo, I've got Mac behind the camera this morning, and we're trying to figure out, if Mac zooms in, on how to hang these 3 paintings. So we're going to do it like I did it over at the Smileys, and we're trying to hang it on the wall. But this is looking, I mean, I guess our other option is, if we, what would happen? It just doesn't look right.
I don't like it for you. I like what you did, like this.
You like it like this?
Stack.
Yeah, I think so too.
Stack.
Because the
Just make it
wall
happy.
is tall.
Yes.
So the question is, how high do we go with that one? You want to hold it up
Yes,
first?
that's what I'm doing. That's what I gotta do.
Okay, so this is a total hack. I shouldn't tell Jenny's secrets. But we ordered this from Walmart, I think for all of like $20, $30. And then I took paint and went over it myself. So it looks more like real art. And you have to go way higher.
Okay.
Because we got the bed. So if that, okay, if you hold that, Milo.
Yes.
Now this thing is heavy, which is,
Oh, no.
right? Because we said this, if we did stack. Mac, how are we looking?
It looks good.
Looks good.
I like the orientation.
So this one's good here.
So that's our bottom.
Okay, how far you put between these?
We may have to do like a test.
No.
So if that's the in-between, what's that, like 6 inches?
Yeah, 6 or 7. 6
So then we go 6 between.
between.
So we got to get the middle from here to there.
From here, maybe.
Yeah, from there. So let's get the middle.
I got 10'6".
Okay, so you hold it. So 5
Yeah.
foot through
Mark.
your top, and there's your edge.
Edge. Got it.
And then this one is just going to kind of go
In between them.
in between.
Got it.
You got it? All right.
Thank you for looking so pretty.
And then we can get the
We'll put all
Bags,
that back.
the
This
bags
goes
back.
here,
that one goes
and then
there.
just shuffle in.
Play with your fingers.
With your fingers.
You don't need that much glue.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do it. It's like these two have to go together.
Yeah, well, yeah, we normally don't put a seam on the plate.
No.
But unfortunately, we have a seam
How that happened?
right there.
Something you did.
Some wallpaper person came in and put a seam right in the middle of the plate.
We put a seam there on purpose.
Yeah, so the bird.
The bird.
So we could get 2 birds.
Yeah.
Look how you do that without a ruler.
Yeah. I'm a professional. That's what you pay for.
That's right.
And anyway, this overlaps this.
Yeah.
To get it right.
Okay.
Which I'll show you in a minute. We do it lightly.
No, we Please don't cut the countertop.
Goes like that, right?
Yep.
Now, with this piece here, it has to go all the way to there.
Right.
So then, you put that like that, then you cut that, and it'd be perfect. This and you compare it to where it has to go.
To the bird.
To the bird and a piece of wood. I cut it big enough so I can make sure.
Right.
You know, because it was gonna be waste anyway.
Yeah.
So then once we cut, then this over to match this little, see that little thing there?
Yeah.
And we cut the paper. Leave it off.
What are we hanging?
So we're gonna hang this lovely monkey guy here.
We're finally hanging the monkey.
Albino African monkey.
All right, but his rope is too long, so we're
His
gonna.
rope is also, since we're gonna do it here, so you want to.
No, that's fine. Yeah, we'll cut a little bit of the bottom.
Trim it?
Yeah, we can trim that.
Okay.
That's no big deal.
And then we have.
All right, how to hang a mirror on an angled wall.
I think we should do it like this, because if we do it like this, it won't work. Like this, it'll work.
Always so much more complicated than you would think.
Wait, that's your hand. Here. Oh God, I love it. Thank
You did it!
Wendy.
You did it!
Let me check
Yeah,
the
check the level. I love it. I love it.
Rope go like that, yes.
This has been a long time coming, this little tiny powder room. Shower curtain because the owner wanted to hide the shower. So we've come up with this scheme because of the slanted wall. Narcissus has made this beautiful shower curtain with this mirror on it. little guy came with this special. I don't even know what to call this.
I love it.
It's gonna screw in. That hooks into here. Then we have a piece of chain, and then we have a ring. And this is going to hold this big.
Rod.
Show them the rod.
Rod is huge.
This big rod.
Mac.